Rachel with Yodel, and I'm super excited to show you just how easy it is for you to use your Yodel account to get the events that you need directly on your website with little to no effort involved. And we recognize that for some CVBs and DMOs, it can be a little scary to want to give your control to AI, especially when it comes to your event calendar. We know that many of you have very highly curated event calendars, and I just want to show you that how easy it is to have that control with Yodel. So we work with you to determine what types of events in your region you need us to curate. And then from there, you'll have full control to set up your query. We work with you on getting this just right, but for an example, let's just see just how easy it can be to create a tourism calendar for the Twin Cities area in Minnesota. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. First, what we want to do is we want to set it up to pull in events from the area of Minneapolis. And then what we also want to do is select very specific event categories. And we know that a lot of tourism calendars are going to want things like arts, food and drink, definitely festivals and fairs. And let's pick a few more here. We're definitely going to want to see everything related to kids and family, and we'll say music and entertainment. So here's our query. We're going to get all of the events that have been categorized by Yodel as these categories. And what's so cool about Yodel is our system is really good at understanding what categories of events are which, and we'll assign multiple categories per event automatically. You don't need to do anything like that. You can create custom filters if you need, and then you can even change your colors and fonts of your widget to match your branding. Once you have everything looking like you want, you're going to hit Load Event Preview so you can see all of the events that are coming in based on your query. In this case, we're going to have over 1,000 events, which is pretty cool. Now, you can export this data to Excel if you need to get really granular. You can filter by organization and alphabetize things to make it a little bit easier for you. You can remove events on the left and feature events on the right. It's as simple as picking out which events you want to feature on your calendar. Once everything is looking good for you, you're going to come up here to see your preview. This is what you can expect to see directly on your website. And when all is looking good, all you need to do is click Save. And from there, you can get this code directly on your website. Whatever it is you're using, we're going to be able to work with you on that. And then don't forget, you even have access to get this data via iCal, API, or RSS. Many of our CVB and DMO customers partner with marketing companies, and we will work with them to ensure that the rendering of that API on your site is seamless. But that's how easy it is for you to set up your event query in Yodel. And we're excited to work with you soon.